Hello everyone, and welcome to a reminder on how to do a rotation. Now a rotation is also called a turn. We're turning something around. Remember, when you do a rotation, a turn, it is going to stay the same shape, stay the same size, but it's going to point in a different direction. Okay? Now I'm using lesson 6.1.4, problem 6-33, becoming an artist, to remind you how to do a rotation. So I want you to notice in this problem, we have a turn, a rotation right here. It says rotate triangle C 180 degrees clockwise about the point -6, 3. -6, 3. Okay, so notice I went ahead and put the point of rotation on the triangle so that I remember where does this point go. Okay, now here's what we need to do when you are doing a rotation. You need to pick a straight line that is going off of that point. For example, if I were using this triangle and I was using this point of rotation, I would not choose this line to do my rotation. I'm going to pick this straight line because I can think about it in degrees. It's on one of those lines. I notice that if I'm going clockwise, which is this direction, I need to go 180 degrees. Right here is 90, so I need to go another 90, which is this direction. Okay, now, if I know that that line is 3 units, then I know that this line is 3 units. But here's the tricky part. You have to be able to visualize this happening in space. If you go up and left to get my 90 degree, which direction is that 90 degree going to face? Is it going to be facing this direction? Is the triangle going to look like this? No, that's actually going to be a reflection. When you do a rotation, you might be picturing like a fan blade. Notice this is 2 units, so I went 2 units. And then I can connect my triangle. Okay, when you do a rotation, this shape is going to be like a fan, right? You've got to have these shapes that are rotating, they are turning, and it takes time for your eye to see it. Now, sometimes you have a very simple, helpful key, so notice I can rotate that 180 degrees and I can place it in the correct spot. A rotation is something that you have to see in your mind's eye, or if you have a piece of parchment paper, you can put your pencil on that spot and rotate it the correct number of degrees. But it is something that takes time and practice to visualize what is happening to that shape. So that's a quick reminder on how to do a rotation using lesson 6.1.4. Thanks for coming.